Ever wondered how to make a protein-packed meal that's both delicious and satisfying? We've got a recipe for you that will leave your taste buds dancing and your muscles thanking you. Welcome to the world of carnivore fried rice. Imagine a dish that's not only brimming with diverse flavors, but also packed with nutrients. It all starts with a large skillet, or wok, heated over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of tallow to the skillet and watch as it melts, paving the way for the next ingredient. Crack 4 large eggs into the skillet, scrambling them until cooked through. Once done, set them aside. They'll make a reappearance later, adding a familiar comfort to the dish. Next, in the same skillet, add another tablespoon of tallow and the chopped bacon. The sizzle and pop of the bacon cooking is a symphony to the senses. Once it's crispy, remove it from the skillet and set it aside with the scrambled eggs. Now, the stage is set for the ground beef. Cook it until it's browned and cooked through, seasoning it with salt to taste. As the beef cooks, its rich aroma fills the kitchen, hinting at the mouth-watering meal that's coming together. Once the ground beef is cooked, it's time for the diced whitefish. Add it to the skillet and cook until it's opaque and cooked through. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. The fish adds a gentle, light flavor to balance out the hearty beef. Next, invite the cooked prawns to join the party. Stir them into the mixture until they are heated through. The prawns bring a touch of the sea, their delicate flavor enhancing the medley of meats. Now remember the scrambled eggs and crispy bacon. It's time for their comeback. Return them to the skillet with the meat and seafood mixture, stirring gently to combine. Take a moment to taste the fried rice mixture. Adjust the seasoning with more salt if needed. This is your masterpiece after all, and it should taste just right. Serve the carnivore fried rice hot, garnished with fresh herbs like chopped parsley or chives if you like a bit of green. Now take a step back and admire your creation. A satisfying protein-packed meal that's as delightful to look at as it is to eat. There you have it, a delicious and satisfying meal that's loaded with protein. This carnivore fried rice is a testament to the fact that eating healthy doesn't mean compromising on flavor. So go ahead and relish every bite of this carnivorous feast. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you.